Today, we're playing another drone flying competition for the highly coveted Pilot Institute Desk Trophy.
3 teams will face off to get the best drone footage and see who can make the best edit.
Each team will consist of 1 pilot and 1 editor.
Teams must film 5 unique, specific shots with a randomly assigned drone.
And compile those shots into an edit, all within a limited time frame.
This is gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's pick the teams.
Robert.
We don't have a Robert. No, it's Boo.
Hey, that's me.
Yeah. We got this.
We're together.
Little do they know, we're gonna win.
We are gonna win. Team 2, time to pick your drone. It's between DJI, Parrot, Autel, and Skydio.
Oh boy. This piece feels good. Inspire 2. Let's go.
Please pick a good drone, please.
This one. Mini 3 Pro. Woo! Bam.
Team 1's last up to pick.
This one right here. Oh, it's the Light Plus from Autel. All right.
Let's find out what we're gonna be shooting.
Let's do it.
We came up with 5 categories of specific shots that each team will have to capture. We then randomly selected from these categories and placed them into these envelopes.
Each team will select an envelope and get a quick peek inside. Tomorrow, we'll have a chance to plan before we fly. It's Fly Day. Each team will have 5 minutes on the clock to do some pre-flight planning before we head out.
All right. Well, here we go.
Team 1, Bo and Greg, flying the Autel Light Plus. The 5 shots they'll be filming are
Red, Dolly, Structure, Earth, Urban. Well, Urban is easy, right? Downtown Prescott. Red, get a lot of red bricks.
Yeah, a lot of red brick.
Team 2, Ben and Jason, flying the Inspire 2. They'll be filming
Green, aquatic, wind, reveal, and a person.
I'm definitely thinking forest.
Okay.
Right? Do you have a location in mind? Because
I've got a couple, close and far. The far one is going to be cooler.
Team 3, Dawn and Ethan, flying the Mini 3 Pro and filming
Yellow, orbit, fire, building, and forest. I'm thinking police, emergency, fire department.
Well, there are yellow flowers blooming all over Prescott.
That's true.
Do we want to have anybody in the video?
We do have to have a person, maybe going from one place to another.
We need a subject. I think we have a subject walking.
It seems like this is kind of the only outlier.
That's kind of the tough one.
A shot where you're like, have this big reveal of the Verde River in the valley.
And we have a person walking from right to left. Don't know what the story is going to be.
We can all shoot downtown from a drone perspective because it's all outside of the airspace.
All right, that's our time.
Whew.
Let's do it.
Oh, perfect.
We'll get the rest in the car.
Yep.
Team Awesome.
All right, we have 2 hours to get this footage.
And we have 1 hour to do the final edit.
Gentlemen, may the best edit win.
Let the competition begin now.
We beat the Tesla.
So where are we going first? Red Robin?
Yeah, okay.
Kind of hungry.
Do we have the envelope?
We do not have the envelope.
We need to grab the envelope.
Probably the most important thing. Like,
That was a good leg race out of the out of the studio there.
I got the envelope.
Awesome. I do like the idea of the 3 places. Let's go downtown actually first.
Okay.
We're gonna head downtown, right? Some walking shots, some good composition shots.
We can hit red, white, and blue, and then come back and do the other 2.
We're gonna film by a river, kind of a chase, kind of suspenseful story.
So we got to think about like the story.
That's kind of what I'm struggling with.
I think the goal of this is to be super creative in a way that it tells a story.
we're focusing more on the narrative than we are just on getting something green.
We're gonna hit a few restaurants and then have a couple little surprises in there.
Should we do it as it's reading your mind kind of thing? You never talk, but it's all like in your head.
We should probably get a shot here. It's so Wes Anderson.
Oh, great composition shot right here.
Impromptu. I told you we'd make it work.
No, I told you. See how that works?
Are you kidding me?
What did you forget?
We got to go back.
Let it be known that we are heading back to the studio. Ethan made a rookie mistake.
I've forgotten SD card.
Rookie mistake.
Secure the bag.
We're here at our first spot, kind of a beginning of an idea going. Pretty cool little thing, check it out. Low angle could be cool, but maybe we do try 2 different.
You on that little step
Yeah,
right
with
there,
the drone
and
kind of
kinda
below.
like looking through like this, and I can do one from behind as you're coming down and start to follow you.
Okay, yeah, like a reversal. Yeah, okay.
Like that way
yeah.
you have 2 angles and it looks like 2 different cameras.
We've been on the road for a while.
I bet you they're getting shots.
What'd you have for breakfast?
A kiwi, a tangerine, and a banana.
Do you think Ethan and Don have gotten to a location?
I wonder because
You had a kiwi? Why not an Australian?
I don't even know what an Australian is.
Well, do you know what a kiwi is?
It's a fruit.
It's also someone from New Zealand.
Why would I eat someone from New Zealand?
Don says stuff and I'm like, what? Like, where did that come from, man?
That's a joke.
It doesn't fit.
I would be willing to bet that Greg has already gotten some shots already.
I can do it spinning fast like this around it and zoom in a little bit so that way we'll get more parallax effect.
That's another shot down. We're heading to our next spot.
Bam, bam, bam.
First shot, we saw this awesome piece of symmetry right here. Boom. ND16 probably.
Keep going a little bit more. One more step and back.
Yes, that was perfect. Yep.
What do you think the other guys are doing?
I don't know. Honestly, I bet you they're still driving quite a bit.
We're almost there. It has been quite a trek.
This is a cow or a bull, and what is it doing in the middle of the road? Grass fed, I believe. Oh, that one does not look healthy. I'd eat that one for sure, though.
That might be where we're supposed to go. We've got 3 different lenses to choose from, and that puts us at a pretty good advantage, I think.
Seems like we might have a slight advantage in that we're, downtown.
Dude, we totally have the advantage. Mini 3 Pro.
Right? Who have you inspired? They have to bust out this whole freaking giant drone thing.
It says we need a micro SD card in this.
I love the Inspire 2, but I can tell you what, each shot is going to take forever.
We've been messing with this thing quite a bit. Now we're really pressed for time, so we're gonna get into it and get these shots. We're gonna nail it, first try.
I think if we can replicate this third take with a wider angle lens, I can do like a run or a walk in the foreground. That would add something to it too.
Downtown shots are done.
On to the next one where we got, I think, at least 3 more
Yeah,
locations.
let's get back in the car and then drive to the next spot.
And then we just have a stomach growl sound effect.
Yes.
Growl. You know what? Yeah.
You're like, all right. And then you get, yeah, let's do that. I like that.
There's this train track here. So we're gonna get a nice composition shot in between the train track. And I think this is gonna be way better than what we first tried to do.
So I feel like him and Ethan are gonna jive really, really well.
Trying to wait till the wind calms down. Come forward to the end of the shadow, stop.
I feel like they have some creativity.
Let's do just me walking, or just me laying here flat.
Just lay out like a little starfish or something. That was the best shot ever right there. That was the money shot, dude.
Then roll the shot.
They seem like their idea is gonna change over time. Get a bunch of shots on the fly.
Anything that we mark down on our notes, we're not even doing it.
It's better.
All right, Greg, how do you think we're doing on time?
I think we're good. I think we got an hour, but now we know all the shots that we got to get.
I thought it would have been funny for the other 2 teams if they end up going to one of the same locations.
On to the next spot.
Nobody had cemetery on their bingo card of shot list, but we did.
Forest?
Cemetery.
Oh, that's right, cemetery.
Do 2 shots here real quick. Both of us do nadir, okay? My face close up, I see you. Your face close up. We could do that really quick.
Yep.
You're
I
bringing
get
me
it.
flowers?
No, I get it. That would be funny. A nadir shot with you laying down of you and then rotate of you, and then we'll finish with that shot.
Yeah.
This is it.
We're getting very close on time, but it's not impossible.
I wonder how they are doing right now.
You missed me pulling cactus thorns out with pliers.
You know what? I'm not even worried.
And that was in your pinky toe of your shoe. Yeah, there is no video evidence that you did. You know what? We might have audio roll.
As long as you promise to believe everything.
Ow. Did it go through your shoe?
It must have. It's not hard to do. My shoe's mesh.
We've done how many shots? Like 10 shots?
At least 10, yeah.
I think we're ahead of the game.
All right, let's get the shot. Last shot.
Last shot, thumbs up.
Yeah, let's do this section, dude.
And I'll hover real close, get the color of the moss and the green.
Got the shot. Hopefully my feet are freezing.
Last spot. I'm actually really excited.
Let's get it done. We don't have much time left.
Right, let's do it. Running across the bridge right here. That's an awesome shot, like looking at the water coming underneath the bridge.
Made it. Back at the ranch? This was fun. This was fun.
All right, we're here. 1 minute to spare. On time, just barely.
With that, the filming is done. On to the next step, editing the footage.
It's been a minute since we took this footage. My wife had a baby.
Congratulations, by the way.
You had vacation.
Had vacation.
And now here we are.
I'm excited actually. We haven't seen that footage since we took it.
I have to kind of remember the shots that we got.
So I think we know this will kind of be our opening shot.
I think at one point we need to switch to this angle.
Yeah.
But then I think we kind of talked about the running shot first.
That might be a good opening
This
shot.
might, yeah.
I kind of wish that in this shot I had walked off screen completely and then it would be a little bit smoother here, but I'm fine with it.
I really like that composition with the tree in the center.
Sort of Wes Anderson feel, lots of symmetry.
You like the yellow.
Yellow is in right now.
I don't walk into this shot.
You kind of do it here actually.
Oh yeah, that's I hadn't even thought of that.
Add the LUT so we can see one of the cinematic color, you know, the teal and orange kind of look. Orange in the highlights, and then add a little bit of teal in the darks here.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good.
Maybe we get some music going.
For a little music track, something just kind of quirky, upbeat.
Have you ever seen The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly? There's the standoff scene. Zoom in on the eyes. Right?
Yeah.
Maybe we could reverse this.
Yes, that's the way I did it. That flows so well.
Where your body positions are in the same.
That skill is called onion skinning. Zoom this guy in, bring him down. That was pretty sick.
Because then you're shaking your head, then bam, you reveal what it is. Jib shot from the top to you getting in. There you go.
This looks great.
Literally the same framing.
Oh, we got this.
We got this.
This is freaking rock and roll. Good luck! All right, all the edits are done. It's time to watch them all and pick a winner.
Okay, this is Bo and Greg final edit.
Man, I'm starving.
Like usual.
This is a good voiceover.
Yeah, it
it
is.
works really well.
Too much.
Nice speed ramp.
Okay,
I
that's
like
good.
that. That
Yeah.
was good.
Who can burp on man? That was pretty
Bo.
funny.
Man, I'm starving. Ooh, something smells good over there. Nah, not open yet. There's gotta be something. Oh, yeah. There's gotta be a place over there. Oh, I think I see a restaurant. Yes, time for lunch. Check, please. Oh, man, that was good. I'm still kind of hungry. Man, should I really eat again? Yeah, okay. Ooh, time for some cheddar biscuits. Ooh, check, please. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, why am I doing this? Oh, check, please. Oh, too much. 3 lunches was a bad idea.
I liked it.
Reminds me of my everyday eating.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
They nailed it.
He was funny.
Almost every single shot, except for a few of them, had movement in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really flowed well together. They were all good camera moves.
The quality of the video and the clarity was really good. Okay, Ben and Jason final edit.
I know it's fake because Ben is running.
The footage does look nice.
This looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. I like the storyline. I thought that was pretty good.
You'll get the chair next time.
That was pretty good.
Really good.
Really good.
That was really good.
That was clever. That's cool.
Yeah.
That was clever.
They used the Inspire 2's lens interchangeability well.
I like the story element of how you kind of were unsure of what was going on at first, but then it rounded out really nicely with that punchline at the end.
Really vivid, especially having that red-green deficiency that I have. Ethan and Dawn.
Ooh, that's cool.
I didn't know Ethan had balance that good.
We got some Wes Anderson going on here.
Yeah,
I see
I
what's
see it.
going on.
Ooh, yep.
Oh, that was a good cut right there.
Cute. I like no words and just music. Yeah, I like the stairs once again.
I like the style. Yeah, that definitely had some style to it.
It seems like there was some sort of off-color used on that. Kind of made the video different from the others.
One of my favorite shots they had.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
So it's like fixed onto the wall. That was cute. Maybe that's not the word to use. That was fun.
All right, the votes are in, and the best video was Jason and Ben.
Hey, all right.
I'll make another one.
Okay, yeah.
All right, thanks for watching, and let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.